Oh, God is king, not a concept, not a theory, not a Sunday idea we rehearse and leave. He is sovereign over heaven and earth, crowned in glory, seated in truth.
We don't bow to man-made sinners, where true bends in progress replaces the cross. We've seen the end of human wisdom, and we refuse the laws.
There's a higher order
calling us,
a sound from eternity.
mighty,
What was hidden now is rising.
rising.
We align, we agree.
This is our worldview.
Yeah.
This is our mandate.
Oh,
Heaven's government,
yeah.
invading every gate.
We were born for dominion,
You're born for dominion,
not escape.
not escape, not delay.
This is our
These are
moment.
good walk.
Hey.
This is our time today.
Reality is spirit and flesh.
Whoa,
What's unseen decides what stands.
prayer is not retreat.
Its authority released through yielded hands. We were formed as stewards,
Steward,
giving keys, not chains, to reveal his rule in the earth till the world knows his name. We don't move by culture or fear.
we don't drift with the air.
We hear the rhythm of heaven, and we step on the page. Ooh,
This is our worldview.
yes, it will, yeah.
This is our mandate.
Yeah.
Heaven's government,
Hey.
leading every gate.
We were born for dominion,
Born for dominion,
not escape, not delay.
not delay.
This is our moment. Hey.
This is our time today.
We reject identities built by trauma, by trends, by cycles, by pain. We receive identity from the Father and function from assignment. History is not random. Seasons are set by God. Alignment decides relevance. Obedience marks the ones he sends. We reject powerless religion and lawless spirituality. We choose divine order. We choose maturity. Every sphere belongs to you.
Every crown must bow.
Government, economy, culture, and truth.
Disciple the nations now.
Oh, this is our
Worldview.
Thus it will.
This is our mandate.
Kingdom is advancing,
Kingdom is advancing.
and it will not wait.
We'll wait.
We watch, we build, we reform,
We steward.
till the earth is.
Really your favor.
This is our
Our
world.
worldview.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name.
This is our worldview.
This is our worldview.
This is our
This is
mandate.
our mandate.
This is our time.
This is our time.